Hi, it's Julie. Welcome to my channel. I am scrapping happy. Look what I have. I got my Cherish February collection from Cheaply Chic in the mail today. And I took it out of the package, but I haven't looked at it yet. So I wanted to just, let you just look. Ooh. I'm so excited. It is a February collection, so it's about love. Doesn't necessarily have to be romantic love. I've done Valentines for my kids their whole lives, and neighbors and friends and family, and it's not necessarily a romantic thing. So if you're hung up on that, don't be, because there's all kinds of love. I even get my puppy something for Valentine's Day. So anyway, this is her letter to us, which is great. I love these. I always love her letters. And look at that. Wouldn't that be pretty to cut that out and use that? Okay, I haven't looked in here. So it's either pink or red. My guess is red, but I don't know. There's two different ones in the shop, and it's pink. It's Cheaply Chic. If you are unfamiliar, look. Oh my gosh, look. And she sends, it's a completed Traveler's Notebook size style notebook, and then all the goodies you could ever want to decorate it and embellish it yourself. There's also an extra, I think there's two different extra add-ons if you need more stuff. Or I believe that she also sells them piecemeal. If you have your own journal already, but you just want this, you just want the goodies or whatever. I do believe that she also sells, like that as well. This, I noticed when she did her video, this comes off, so you can move it. I won't, because, perfect. But I love the gold. And it, like I said, it's a completely finished journal, unembellished. It's got tea-dyed paper, I think coffee-dyed paper. It's got, this is a old, wow, I really like it, ledger, and it's starting to discolor already on its own. I love that. Well, pink paper, hearts, graph paper, and it's perfect. A red heart. It's perfect. Oh, and I love this. She has a heart pan. I don't know if it's a muffin pan or what, but she, can you see it? She dyes some papers and gives us these groovy heart pages each month. And I like this. It's flip out. I love this. I'm torn. I had an idea for it, and now I think something else came to mind, so I'm torn what to do with it. But there's like 15 pages, single pages, folded in half, and then you get your front and back. So there's either 30 double page spreads or 60 single pages. So I was thinking to do the 30 double page, and each page was going to be about something I loved or someone. I have some someones. I've been married 38 years, kind of like him sometimes. I got 3 kids, 2 birthed, 1 married in, and we of course have the grandbaby who would get more than 1 page, I'm sure. I got puppy. I love chocolate. I love reading. There's just all kinds of things that I love. So I thought about doing a spread for each thing, and surely I can come up with 30 things. It may be hard to limit it to 30, but So I was thinking about that. But then, you know, another idea, my cousin is, or I guess my cousin's son is getting married, and I was thinking next month, and so I was thinking this would be lovely for his new bride to, they just got their apartment today, and he's going to be living there for the next, you know, couple months till they get married. And I was thinking, you know, it would be fun to set this up as a setting up housekeeping journal. You know, make your list of pots and pans and sheets and towels and all the things that you need to set up. And then places, and put pictures of their new furniture and all that, you know, all the stuff. Remember when you're first starting out? So I'm really torn. I need to make my decision, but anyway, that is not something that we need to take time on, right? Okay, let's look at this little one first. Look at that bag. Isn't that great? Red foil bag with lots of goodies. Oh, still more. A little glassine bag with love on it. Washi tape love. And oh, look, little ticket shapes, hearts punched, and looks like that's it. These would be good for, she always puts some hearts in for you to add to your strings in your, on your center of your journal. I love that. A pink guest check. Pink coat check. I've never been anywhere where I checked my coat. Red, that was free, by the way. Your red doily, your heart is a star. Love notes. And a message. Oh man, what does this bring back memories? A page out of a message pad. We have little pink price tags. Oops, sorry. My timer, my food is ready. I need to go take it out of the oven. Look. Glitter hearts. Okay. Look at that. I love it. I love it. There's the bookmark. Always gorgeous. It's a, oh, and always got the gold paper clips. Here's a playing card, probably vintage, knowing her. And then let's see. In here, scallop heart press tags, little, oh cool, banners. That'd be fun. Oh look, itty bitty tags. And then, oops, I had something in my hand, I dropped it. I think it was a flower, but I don't see where it went. And also little triangle, another little baby tag. Oh, and look how pretty. Wood veneer hearts with hearts inside. Gorgeous. Some more clam checks. Oh, here's the little hearts for the strings. I love that. There's 3 of them. And just little circle punches. Happy Valentine's Day. cupcake thing. Stick it in a cupcake. What's it called? Cupcake. I don't know. Sweet little flat. Oh, and look. Oh, it's sweet. A little bitty rose. And a little bow. Okay. Oh, a dictionary page. Young Love. Oh, pretty. I think these are from Ideals magazine or Ideals book. Can't remember if it's a magazine or not. But they're always the most gorgeous pictures. And then here's a poem about young love. A song. Music sheet. Ooh. Piece of wallpaper. Pretty. Eco-friendly chocolate bread pudding. Interesting. And revolutionary rice pudding. Ooh. With dates, cranberries. Ooh. Dark chocolate. Oh my gosh. Dark chocolate brandy sauce. Okay. I'll just have the ingredients. I don't need to make it into pudding. Ooh, look at those. Pretty, pretty. Pinks, reds, gold. Looks like black and white. And here's the little bitty bag with more gold paper clips. I love this. It reminds me of my childhood. We had those kind of Valentines. Doily, pretty gold, and a white heart. Ooh. Ooh, cute. This would be a good inside a shaker. Ooh, fun. I like this bag too. Oh my gosh, look, this is real. From Barbara. I think these were cutouts of a paper pad. Yeah. But they look vintage. This is really real. I'd like to call you my Valentine. That's so sweet. A gold heart. Glassine envelope, a little one. Library card. Ooh, library pocket. I think this is, yeah, layaway. I have actually put stuff in layaway before. I don't even know if they still do it anymore. CD envelope. Look at that. That's so pretty. It's an oval, just I guess like a gift tag or card. And then a price tag. Oh, look. She always stamps on one and then gives you a blank one. A alteration tag. Guest check. Ooh, tickets. A flashcard. And this fits in here perfectly. Yeah. So if I understand correctly, this is just a cutoff of like the cover, and it's perfect. Fits right in that bag. And there's always 2 pieces of 6x6 scrapbook paper that comes in the paper pad, from the paper pad she made the cover from, so it all coordinates. It's another Valentine. I love that. Oh, pretty. A napkin with hearts all over. So that will be fun to work with. And a really pretty pink heart doily. Alright. Now, whatever I decide to do, it will be fabulous because, I mean, who can mess up with all this stuff? That's part of why I get so excited with this, because even on a bad day, you can make something fabulous with this kit. Because, I mean, bad day, I mean like anti-creative, or where you're just kind of sitting there going, I don't know what to do, where you just don't have any inspiration, and it doesn't matter. The stuff is right here. And it's gorgeous, and you can't possibly mess it up. So that's exciting to me. All right, I will show you what I've done once I've done it, and I hope I will link the other design team people. I will link them below. I will link Lynette's shop, her YouTube, her Facebook. I'll link all of that. You really need to go check it out. She's so nice and so sweet, and I love being on her Facebook page, because it's like you're hanging out with a bunch of friends. Just really nice people. Okay, well, that is it. Go check this out, and I will talk to you soon.